Thank you for watching the Innuscience video for our Trio Clean training program for housekeeping. Firstly, let's talk about New Multi-Clean, the truly multi-purpose cleaner that can be used on any hard surface. Looking at these pictures, you will notice all areas to clean with New Multi-Clean are highlighted with the color blue. Here, mirrors, metals, and all blue surfaces within this image are ideal areas to clean with New Multi-Clean. New Multi-Clean is so versatile and multi-purpose, it cleans many different surfaces, as shown by this picture here. New Bioscrub, the washroom cleaner and descaler, designed to remove soap scum and lime scale. This image here shows the basin, tap, shower are suitable areas to use New Bioscrub, being lime scale prone areas.
New Clean All is our suggested product for using on all hard surfaces within your kitchen and dining areas, as shown by the areas highlighted in yellow.
It cleans glass, mirrors, metals, in fact all hard surfaces. Please use with the supplied spray bottle by applying product onto a cloth and then clean the surface. If cleaning glass, do one pass to clean and one pass with a dry cloth to buff. New Multi-Clean, New Bioscrub, and New Clean All are not classified as hazardous or irritant. The ready-to-use product would last about 12 weeks, after which time any remaining product must be thrown away or it will start to smell like bad eggs. Thank you for taking the time to watch our training video and hope this video was informative and helpful.
If you have any questions, please contact your local housekeeper.